Welcome to Getting Started with AI.dielmo. In this video, I will walk you through the basic steps needed to complete your first object detection task so you can immediately start using it in your own projects. To create your first object detection task, you will first need to download the model of the object you wish to detect. To do so, go to AI.dielmo.com, find the Resources section, access the Models page, and download the one that best fits your needs. In our case, we will download a model trained to detect cars. Once the file has been downloaded, simply extract the elements contained in the zip file. Inside it, you will find the model to be used for the detection of the desired objects, as well as a series of sample images that can be used to evaluate that model. Before performing your first detection, we will need an output folder where the program will deposit the detections. We will call it out. Create the job by clicking on the Launch Job button and selecting the job type. In this case, we will draw detections inside the image. Drag the folder with the images to be analyzed in the first box. The output folder will go in the second box and the model in the third one. Click the Launch Job button. This will queue your task. And in our case, since there are no other tasks being performed, it will start running immediately. You can see a progress bar at the bottom of the interface. As a note, the speed at which the program will detect your images will depend on the power of your computer. Once it has been completed, simply open the output folder where you will find the results. In addition to your images, you will find a CSV file where you will have the following information: the status of each detection, the path of the image, the precision with which the elements have been detected, the size of the original photo, the Laplacian parameter, which we will cover in future videos, the detections performed on the image, the pixels of the best detection, the image coordinates in percentage, and comments that are usually empty unless there is an error. Congratulations! You have just completed your first object detection through artificial intelligence. For more information, go to AI.dielmo.com.